Sometimes you think, can you really do this house? Is it impossible? This house is very, very, very hard. Can't see where you start, can't see where you're going to finish. Lots of if, buts and maybes. Lots of caulking, lots of gaps. So this is one of the little jobs I'm working on. What I've done is I've oil-based undercoated all this house with the spray gun and just a lamb tool roller, and now we've got to caulk it all. The electrician's been, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. So this is where we're going to start today. Bring that ceiling down to that height there, I'd say. But yeah, this is oil-based undercoat. Just sprayed over shiny gloss doors. This is all full gloss enamel, these walls, and I'll tell you right now, you just will not budge it. Now these doors all covered in fly poop, the whole lot. Just a quick mist of the oil-based undercoat. Check that out, eh? I can go as hard as I want. See, that's the light mist. It's unbelievable stuff. That water base is just rubbish compared to this. It's a shame I didn't do a quick video of this before we actually sprayed it, because it was bad. It was a very shiny gloss enamel here as well. Sticks like a blanket, doesn't it?
Sure does, and I showed them all yesterday. I said, scratch the wall there.
Yeah.
I said, man, that's tough, that bastard.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
Incredible.
So we're caulking in here. What we're using is a Sika gap filler putty. There's some big gaps in here. So this is the gun I'm using. First thing we do is fill these areas here. Stop, squeeze. Use our finger, nice and light. Wipe your finger off. Now this is very big. Alright, so we're gonna once again, take your time. When you see one that hasn't quite filled, put a bit more on it. Like this one here. So I always try and do the corner beads first. Even if you didn't gap your ceilings, you would still gap those corner beads. And then to roll these, bring these down, we'll actually do this one first. And I'll do that so they have something to join up on. Put a little bit too much in there. It's up on top there, so I'm not going to worry. Do not cut your nozzle at an angle. That nozzle has just done 20 tubes. Do not cut your nozzle at an angle, just as it is. Whoever says to cut it at an angle doesn't really know what they're talking about. Okay, so now to do the walls. I'm just going to bring that down and join them up to those sections that I've done there. You see, so come up a bit, come down a bit. half a dozen controlled squirts basically. Give the old finger a lick, or you can drop it in a bucket of water. And we join them up here, see? Oh, use my bad arm. The secret is to have your finger wet. So how you wet it is up to you. I do have a wet rag right here, so I can clean my nozzle and my finger off.
Thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. This time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. Thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. This time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like